With the rapid development of IoT technology, the demand for data center infrastructure is greatly increasing. Administrators not only need to maintain their data center at any time, but also need to realize multi-user remote management, regardless of geographic location, to improve productivity. Kinan HT6708, 1 local, 2 remote access, 8-port Cat5 KVM over IP switch can help. Controls up to 8, 16, 24, 32 computers or servers through a web-based browser or Windows-based client, no matter where they are in the world. It supports 2 remote user access, 1 local console, and 1 local extended workstation. The HT6708 supports simultaneous operation for both local console operators and remote access users, allows for cross-access management to different attached servers, and provides BIOS-level access for troubleshooting. Local Extended Workstation supports serial device management. Manage your data center at any time, anywhere in the world. Resolution up to 1080p on remote console displays. Transmission rate up to 30 FPS. Fast, automatic, and precise synchronization of local and remote mouse movement positions. AES, DES, 3DES encryption, providing protection for corporate information security. Dual power supply. Virtual media support. So how do we manage the KVM system? HT6708 is equipped with professional IP matrix management software, KCMS centralized control platform, providing a graphical UI interface to realize intuitive and convenient human-computer interaction. User management. Security settings. Audit log. Compatible with most operating systems: Windows, Linux, Unix, Mac, Solaris Sun, Red Hat, Ubuntu, etc. Kinan KVM 1 local 2 remote access KVM over IP, HT67 series, HT68 series, HT57 series, HT59 series, HT58 series. Smart, simple connection makes your life easier and more secure.